yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. Hey, yo, I been north, Laura been Croft. Place say Chang Lee, drop the bins off. Oh, I get it. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia, and today I'm bringing you guys a haul. Just letting you guys know, this week we're going to have 3 hauls all together this week. So we're gonna have 3 hauls, just bear with me. It's summer, well, it's spring now in Montreal, so there's no more snow, and I'm a summer baby, and I'm about that tiny ass outfit life. Feel me? So I've been shopping a lot. This haul is a ZAFUL haul. They actually sent me some stuff. I picked out a couple of spring stuff. I bought bathing suits and stuff. Things are a little more like dressier. Thank you so much, ZAFUL, for sending me some stuff. Really, really nice of you guys. If you guys are interested to see what I got, just stay tuned. Everything's gonna be in this little bag. I just decided to stuff everything in here because I did try on the pieces beforehand to give you guys my opinion, because my old try on hauls were mostly unboxings and stuff, and I never tried on the items before. So I'm like, oh, this is cute, and it doesn't fit, and I didn't know that because I didn't try it on. So I decided to try this stuff on so I can give you guys my feedback. And also, so some of them came in the big ones like this, and some of them came in little ones like this, so you have choices. I would suggest that when you order from ZAFUL to keep them because they come in handy. So first item, first bathing suit is this really, really pretty light pink bathing suit. It goes like a spaghetti strap type of suit, but it doesn't, you don't have to tie it in the back. There's actually like a clip, and this fits really nice. The only thing is, this is a itty bitty committee bathing suit bikini. You can't have a really big breast if you wear this bikini, simply because they're gonna pop out. This is a bikini mostly made for girls with a smaller chest. You can also adjust the straps in the back, which is really nice. There's like these silver buckles, and I really like this detail over here because it does give a really nice cleavage to us girls that do need extra help. So the bottoms are just like this. They're kind of like a thong, but not really thong. You guys are gonna see the try on part right here, and this bikini fits really nice. The bottoms are a little tight for me. I got both in a size small. I wish it was just a tiny little looser, but it does fit really nicely. It does give a nice shape. Whoops. It does give a nice shape, and it makes the bump look really cute. Second and last bikini is my favorite one out of the 2. It is a strapless, like boob to bandeau bikini. It is white with really pretty lemon designs. I think this is so nice for summer. And I feel like if you're, depending on where you're going, you can actually wear this as a top. Like, I know that if I was in Haiti, I would have worn this with like the shorts I'm wearing right now, which are like these simple jean shorts. I would have worn this with like a bun and some big hoops. Oh, look. This bikini, I feel like the top, I don't have that much boobs, so like bandeau tops like this kind of don't really sit nicely. They kind of like just sit there, but they don't really give me a nice cleavage. And I don't think it's the bathing suit's fault. I think it's the fault of my titties. So I just feel like if I had bigger boobs, it would have looked nicer. And I'm sure 100% that the extra small would have been way too small for me. So next are the bottoms. I really, really like the bottoms. This is also in a size small. I really, really like the bottoms simply because it does cover the whole front part here. And you do actually have a lot of booty out, but it's not like too much. And I really love how thin the sides are. I don't know why. They give like kind of like a fake thong vibe. I don't know how to explain it, but I really, really like how this fits. And it fits me so nice. I love this bathing suit. If it comes in other colors, I'll get other colors. I do want, like, if they had the same thing but like all white, yes, I would Next item is the first clothing item. I just want to get this one out of the way. Tiny bit disappointed since it is a little too big for me. It doesn't fit the way I want it to fit. It is a bandeau top in snakeskin. I know other websites do have this one, but I wasn't going to pay $30 for it, and thank God ZAFUL is a really inexpensive brand online store. So their stuff fits me. Most of the time their stuff fits me really well, but I think I'm gonna have to get it cinched in by my grandma, like on the sides or something, to make it just really like sit nicely, because it leaves like a little loose section. But I feel like this is so cute for like summer, wearing it with some black biker shorts and some heels, or even some like jean shorts and some heels to go out. I think this is just a really cute top, and it's really inexpensive. Next items are two items that I got in the same color. It's the same exact item, it's just I got it in white and I got it in black. It is these Backless simple tops. So they have, since this one's black you can't really see, I'll just hold it like this. So this here is the front, and then the strings are the back part, and it just crisscrosses in the back, and then you just tie it in the back. I have two of these in different colors from a different brand, and I really like them, so I just wanted to get the white and the black one. So I do have them in both colors. Guys, these go with everything. You know those like bell-bottom pants? I love wearing those with tops like this, because they're so dainty and so like simple, with some simple sandals and like your purse, and you just walk out the house. I feel like tops like this, you don't really need to think about your outfit. And also I also wanted to wear this with some black biker shorts I got from Forever 21, because I felt like it would look really nice. But I'm sure ZAFUL has black biker shorts, like cotton biker shorts, and I think these tops are so cute for the summer. I really like these, and both of these are in a size small and they fit perfectly. Last but not least, I got a two-piece set. I tried it on, I did the try on part, and I had to go see my dad so he could like fix something for me. And I was wearing it, and both my grandmas were here, and they were like, you look so good, this is so nice, because they're so used to seeing me in sneakers. I'm always wearing sneakers all the time. They just saw me in like something a little girlier, and they were just like, what? So this is a cropped top, and it is yellow, black, and white. It has like I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like stripes going like all kinds of ways, and it has like this opening on the sides. But the only thing is that it gives like a tiny little like, there's something off with the way it fits. But it also has these two strings that tie around your waist, and then you just tie it. And I think this looks really good for the summer. But guys, that's not the best part about this top. The best part about this top is that it comes with matching pants, and these pants are so nice. I love these pants so much. They fit so well. Oh my god, these pants. I love these pants so much. I can't wait to wear them. Only downside is that they're a little see-through, but you can like just letting you guys know, my trick to wearing something that's a tiny bit see-through, you have to wear black on, like black thongs, a black thong underneath. If you're darker like me, so you wear black thongs so it can like cancel out everything. So I tried it on, and it fits really nice, and the bottom is like really open, so it flows really nicely. It sits on the butt really nicely also, and I think I got this set in a size small. This set was really inexpensive too, and I can't wait to wear this. I want to wear this on like, I need someone to have like a baby shower or something, or like a gender reveal. I just had a gender reveal, but it was too cold for me to wear like something like this. But I need someone to have a baby, someone that I know to have a baby, so we can like wear cute shit at the baby shower and whatnot. So yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I really like the bathing suit with the lemons on it, and I also like the two-piece set a lot. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of those two backless tops, So yeah, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell just so you guys can be notified every time I post, because some of you guys tell me that you guys don't get notified or don't even see me in your subscription box, which sucks. Please turn on the notification post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.